Thank you once again, always, for checking in with me and giving some updates as to how we can move forward together, expand, and grow. Just had a couple of reflections this morning while I was in my meditation, and I thought that the message that came was so apparent, so shocking, but also very appealing, and wanted to share this with you. If the answer of our problems is so easy, why don't we do it? With all the things that's going on, we can look at the television, we can look at our telephones over 300 times a day, over 2,000 thoughts that we have, questions, answers, opinions, perspectives. How much of this activity do we lay back at least 10, 15, 20 minutes and be still and know? As that scripture states, it has a resonance, a power of the connection of how we work to be created through calm, peace, joy, equanimity, balance, as some would define that word. But we prefer the chaos, we prefer the distraction, we prefer the anxiety that society feeds us, and because we don't know how to appropriately react to it, many times we cause greater problems, not only for ourselves within, but also for ourselves without. So the problem becomes not so much that there are always things that we can give our attention to. The issue that we have is the noise, the distraction, and so many things that cause us to function outside of what we were called to do, which is our mission, our vision, and our purpose. What is your mission, vision, and purpose? No, your MVP is not a sports award. It's not a competition. It is the reason why you were born and what you have been called to do. Make sure you click the attached links, pick up your bronze, silver, gold, and platinum package. We provide a guideline as to how to find out what that is and how to get started in living a more fulfilling, happy, and harmonious life. So what's the solution? What's the answer to the noise? The stillness really is the answer, of which many of us, unfortunately, have been programmed against. Taking just 15, 20, 30 minutes out your day in the morning and before you go to bed, sitting in silence, allows for one to calm all of the crazy thoughts, answers, questions, opinions that we process every day in order to gain some answers to our problems or perceived problems that we might think about continuously on a loop. Doing this provides us clairvoyance, or some might say clarity, but also an ability to discern options at our hands, options within our network that are there for us to access and to execute. Ask yourself this question: is the answer to my solution worth an hour or two a day to feel good, to be at peace, to be at calm, and to be able to appreciate the gift of life that we all have and share right now. I look forward to hearing your feedback as to how your process and your journey is going. Make sure you click on all of the attached links, promotion, and we're very much excited this fall to be going on tour to share the music, the content, the books, the films, and so much that has been put together to be a blessing to so many. Talk to you soon. Do you want to make history or be history? Revelation, the Emerald Tablet of Thought. A creation by Marcus J. Austin, M.Dot, and his colleagues, over 30 global contributors. A music project like none other. 13 different genres of motivational, inspirational, and also life experiences that can serve as a guide of connectivity and soul consciousness. Make sure you click the attached links, support, share, love, like, and buy the project, which will be available right now for the next 6 years.